As you may have seen in previous videos, Hoover was sedated several times to correct an issue with him keeping his man parts to himself. His issue has been resolved and he spent some much needed time in the recovery cage healing. It was time to join the rest of the big cats by moving him back on property to a normal enclosure. He was moved to a different location without a pool per doctor's orders for more healing time. So how is Hoover doing today in his newer surroundings? He has sure taken a liking to his neighbor girl. What are you looking at, huh? Who is that? Who is that over there? I'll show you what he's looking at. Huh? Oh, Gabrielle! Someone's interested. There's a boy looking at you. There is a boy looking at you. He enjoys lounging on his new platform. And he is loving the room service with breakfast in bed. Hoover may have had a troubled past, but we love to spoil him, and you can as well by visiting bigcatrescue.org/donate.